moving down to the options here. So I'm going to show you guys how to use the open feature. We'll start with multi-mode and then we'll later go on to single mode. So what I have just done is I have just sent 6 snaps to myself, 3 from Michael here and 3 from BlueCool97 here. So then just go ahead and add in the usernames. So I'll type in BlueCool97. Technically, I believe this is actually supposed to be nicknames, but it's whatever like the display name is here. That's what you want to enter in to this field. Then you can adjust the delay for how fast you want it to open. I want it to go like super fast, so I'll set it to 50 milliseconds. But then you just go ahead and click Start Opening. And then you will see that it has opened up all the snaps there. Next, I'll show you how the single mode works. So what you're going to want to do is the user that you want to open up snaps from, you want to go ahead and click on their profile. So you're inside of like this chat window here. So as we'll see, there's a couple new snaps in here for me to open, and then you just adjust this delay to if you want. I'll set it like really high, so it's 1 every second. You click Start Opening, and you'll see it opens them just like that. Now, something else you can do on the multi-mode is if you have like a text file, the different people you want to open snaps from, what you can do is you can choose a text file. So click that, find your text file. Now, this is how you want to format it is you want to format it with a new nickname on each line like this, and then go ahead and click Open. And then I'll import them all here. You can either remove them individually or you can clear them all at one time. Now I'm going to show you guys how to send. So what you want to do is click on this send button here. That'll open up this option here. Now coming right in, you have a few options here. You have action delay and loop delay. Typically, I recommend just keeping action delay at 1 millisecond, and loop delay, you're going to want to kind of experiment around with. For the sake of this, I'm just going to set it to 1 because I'm just going to show you guys like how fast this thing can go, the refreshing and stuff, and just the tutorial isn't really long. But if you want to optimize your delays, you can click on this Optimize Delays button, and I'll take you to a website where you can input like your PC specs, right, and how many like accounts you want to spam. Like I'm only doing 2, so. But then you'll click Calculate Optimal Settings, and it'll kind of tell you like what it thinks your action delay, loop delay should be, and how many accounts you should be spamming based on like your PC specs. So, but then what you want to do is go ahead and enter in people you want to spam. So put in the nickname there and click Add. If you have a giant list, you can kind of do the same thing like you could on the multi-open. So click Import, find the list of people you want to spam, and then click Open. And I'll import them all here. It won't put in like duplicates, so like as you can see, I'd already added in BlueCool97, and then when I went to go add in GameChanger77, it and the BlueCool97 was still in the text file. I did not add that because it doesn't add duplicates. So then to remove someone, you just click the Remove button. However, I'm going to do 2 at the same time, so you can kind of see that does multiple. So then down here, you have this snap threshold. Now, snap threshold is how many snaps it'll send between each refresh. So this